Okay, pupils, we are on this year 4 Get Smart Plus workbook on page 5. We are on module 1, our world. Activity 1. Go to page 9 in the student's book and look at activity 4. Then write about your day. So this is the student's book, page 9. So we have here, so activities, it lists out around 6 activities. So you need to identify, you need to make use of these adverbs of frequency here. So always, usually, full bar, and then we have usually 75% of the bar, and then sometimes maybe just half, and then never 0%. So this is among the 4 adverbs of frequency. So we have this you need to do some writing here. So write about your day in real life. So we have sentence number 1. I always get up at, so you can state it at around 6 o'clock or even earlier. So 6 o'clock in the morning. And then full stop we have here already. Second sentence, I usually, so maybe you are too stressed at school, you can relax a bit after school. So maybe you usually watch TV after school. And number 3, I sometimes after school, maybe you play chess here. So as long as it is a positive activity, meaning not negative. So chess. Number 4, I never. So in Malaysia we have hot weather here. Maybe you never go ice skating. So I never go ice skating. So these are just my suggested answers. You may write your own, and then etc. You can write another 3 sentences if you want. So I will move on to activity 2. Okay, activity 2. What does Kim do after school? So this is Kim. Look and write sentences with always, usually, sometimes, never. So we have, this one is 100%, the bar. So this is for the adverbs of frequency of always. So Kim always do her homework. And then this one we have 75% bar, usually, and then we have sometimes 50%, and then never 0%. So write according to the table here. So we have go ice skating, do homework, sleep, watch TV, play chess. And then number 1, already given answer here. So Kim sometimes, so for the first column here, so Kim sometimes goes, because we have this a single person, so the verbs you need to change to its form by adding es here. So this adverbs of frequency, it doesn't affect the verb's form. So Kim goes rather than go. So Kim sometimes goes ice skating after school. for the first column. And then the second column we have she, so change pronoun here, change to pronoun she. And then for this do homework, you use the adverbs of frequency always. She always. And then do, change its form to does. She always does her homework. After school. Number 3 is about sleep. So she, so never sleep after school. So never. Sleeps after school. Number 4, we have watch TV. So she again. So this is sometimes. She sometimes watches. So remember the adverbs of frequency doesn't affect the word form here. So she, so this is the verb, you need to add es for pronoun she. So sometimes watches TV after school. And then number 5, the final one, play chess. So she. So we have this usually. Plays. So remember to add s after y. So usually plays chess after school. So maybe I maximize it a bit. So we have 5 sentences here for the above table. So that's it for this page. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here, and then right below this video there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.